folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. I hope everyone's doing awesome today. And we're gonna just send it. Alright. And I got all my friends here. Here's Dustin taking the picture. That's my buddy Yusuf.
You can run it right through here, man. You can roll down the windows.
And that's Shane right here running around. And we're gonna have fun times, guys. Stay tuned. And here I got my team, all my friends.
Shane, Dustin, Yusuf.
Alright, so that's Shane, Dustin, and Yusuf. And we're out here enjoying, guys. We have the incredible X-MAXX. Shane here did a jump, but something went down, so he's fixing his RC. And my buddy here, Yusuf, has his crawler.
I'm gonna send it.
And Shane also has his barrage. And I have my rustler. And as you guys already know, we got the send it ramp over there. You guys could see it. And we're going to do just what the ramp says. We're going to send it. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thanks for tuning in our RC Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah.
When the people are ready, we'll pull this switch.
Oh damn!
One song coma.
Oh yeah, man.
Two song coma. Three song coma. Any song come.
Oh yeah, send it. Rise. Oh yeah, beautiful, man. Whoa! Whoa! That was sick! For real, that was coming right here!
Hey, come on, stay with me. We're losing them.
Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh! Whoa!
Oh, steering arm, damn.
Oh, the steering arm? You have one?
No, the only thing I don't have.
Oh! Oh yeah!
It looks bad.
Oh, the jato got sent, but something went wrong with
Dude,
it.
man. It landed right on its wheelie bar.
Yeah.
It landed right on the bar.
You broke the transmission.
No.
Yeah, you broke the ends right off the transmission. See? There's two ends right here that you shoved these pins through.
Yep.
You snap both of them off.
Yep, you just need a new
Yeah.
tranny case.
You blew up.
It's getting late. Think it's past 8. What? Took her to my place. Baby ate me like some cake. Think I need that thing. Told me to the face. Fuck, I need to take a break. Wait, but don't be cool.
So here's Dustin fixing his steering arm for the X-MAXX with crazy glue and some Gorilla Tape.
Nothing a little rubber cement and some duct tape can't fix.
Yep. No! Yeah! Oh yeah! Damn!
One more time. Tell the DJ we'll come rewind.
Oh damn! Woo-hoo! Oh yeah!
Candidato.
Hey, come on, stay with me.
Oh yo! Send it!